the life-changing health benefits that happen when you eat 3 to 4 eggs every day. Pasture-raised eggs contain all of the building blocks of life and are some of the most nutritious foods that you could possibly eat. Consuming eggs on a daily basis can improve your cholesterol profile, lower the risk of heart disease and heart attacks, and provide very bioavailable protein for your body to build muscle, hormones, and enzymes. Eggs supply the amino acids that are needed for strength, healing and repair, and supporting a healthy overall body. Today, we'll explore the amazing health benefits of eating at least 3 eggs a day for breakfast, and I'll also show you how to properly prepare them for the best effects. 1. Cleaning the liver. Pasture-raised eggs come from hens that live outside, and these have access to sunshine, grass, and insects. This makes the quality of their eggs much better than regular eggs, with more vitamins and minerals. Pasture-raised eggs are particularly high in choline and lecithin, which help to clean out fat from inside your liver. Eating 3 to 4 eggs for breakfast helps your liver to make bile, a liquid that breaks down fat and helps to keep your gallbladder working properly to prevent gallstones. 2. Prevents heart disease. Since eggs naturally contain cholesterol, historically people assumed that they could clog your arteries and cause heart attacks. However, modern research shows that eggs actually help to protect your heart by increasing HDL. That's a shuttle that moves cholesterol out of the blood vessels and into the liver where it can be broken down. Studies also show that eggs can turn the dangerous form of cholesterol, which is LDL-C, into a larger, safer form that won't stick to the inside layer of your arteries. In addition, eggs are rich in vitamins E, D, A, K2, omega-3s and taurine, which can protect and strengthen the heart muscle itself. 3. Improves attention. If you have trouble focusing, thinking clearly, or keeping attention, it's recommended to stop eating cereals, grains and sugars and eat more eggs as a replacement. For example, try eating 3 or 4 eggs for breakfast for just a week and notice how much better you can concentrate and think more clearly. Eggs help to naturally stabilize blood sugars by providing healthy fats and amino acids. Eggs are also nature's best source of DHA, the raw material that's used to build and repair the structure of your brain. One of the reasons that attention disorders like ADD are on the rise is the culture shift away from eggs and meats towards unhealthy cereals and grains. If you're finding this information helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn all notifications on so that I can keep you updated with the latest health and nutrition tips. 4. Lubricates the eyes. Several years ago, I personally suffered from severe dry eyes and an infection that almost caused blindness. Using screens too often and not getting enough active vitamin A in my diet caused my eyes to dry out and become vulnerable to infection. However, now I try to eat as many eggs as possible since they are rich in retinol, which is the active form of vitamin A, and also lutein and zeaxanthin. These carotenoids not only help to lubricate my eyes, but they also improve eyesight and can lower the risk of eye diseases like cataracts and macular degeneration. You can find more info on the best foods that I personally use for eye health in my video titled The Top 10 Foods for Your Eyes and Vision. Moving on to number 5, which is repairing nerves. Nerve pain is a common problem nowadays, often caused by high blood sugar damage. This can cause tingling, burning, shooting pains, or trickling sensations, especially in the feet, the legs, or the hands. To repair these nerve problems, I highly recommend eating at least 4 eggs a day. Eggs are full of B vitamins, B12, DHA, EPA, and antioxidants that are all needed to help your nerve tissue regenerate. The choline in the eggs is also used in your body to build acetylcholine. That's a neurotransmitter that helps to reduce pain and repair your nerve cells. 6. Helps muscle gains. As women and men age, especially over 50, muscles tend to become weaker and they begin to break down. And since eggs contain all of the nutrition that's needed to grow a healthy chick, they have all of the amino acids that are needed to build strong muscles. This is why egg protein is considered the #1 food for bodybuilders and athletes, because it helps to grow and repair muscle tissue. I recommend lifting weights and working out in the morning on an empty stomach right before eating your eggs as a breakfast within 45 minutes. This is called the magic anabolic window, where the protein from your eggs can be quickly absorbed to build muscles faster. 7. Stimulates hair growth. High quality protein from eggs and leucine are important to stimulate hair growth and prevent alopecia and thinning of the hair. Leucine in eggs is a branch chain amino acid which helps your body to produce collagen, especially for hair growth. Leucine also helps your body to absorb iron to prevent anemia, and this keeps the blood flowing to your hair follicles properly. 8. Builds smoother skin. Since your skin is made out of cholesterol, protein and fats, it makes perfect sense that eggs provide the raw materials to keep your skin healthy and youthful. Phospholipids in eggs and omega-3s help to stabilize cell membranes to keep your skin cells hydrated and able to repair themselves. People who follow a diet that's rich in egg protein, red meat and oily fish tend to have less wrinkles as they age. Cholesterol found in eggs also helps the body to build important steroid hormones to prevent acne and pimples. 9. Overcoming anxiety. As a person who has suffered from anxiety and depression, I'm willing to eat the right foods to prevent these mood disorders from coming back. Eggs in particular are rich in tryptophan and tyrosine, which help to boost serotonin and dopamine. These are often called the happy hormones of the brain. These help to regulate your mood and keep you feeling calm, relaxed, and focused. Since eggs also stabilize blood sugars and boost acetylcholine, they are undoubtedly one of the #1 foods in the world to prevent and stop anxiety. As a side note, nutritional yeast is also very helpful for anxiety and works well when paired with eggs in an omelette. The 10th benefit is preventing illnesses. Eggs naturally have antibodies designed to help baby chickens to stay healthy against the outside world. When we eat eggs, we get the benefit of these antibodies ourselves, along with the colostrum, which can boost our own immune systems. These ingredients in eggs can protect us and help our bodies to fight off or prevent infections and diseases like the common cold. You may have noticed that members of your family who don't eat much sugar but eat lots of meat and eggs tend to get sick less often. Another interesting fact is that eggs contain sphingomyelin, which has anti-cancer properties and can help cancer cells to commit suicide in your body. And as a bonus, I'd like to talk about how they can reduce cravings. If you find that you can't lose weight because of food cravings, eggs may be the ultimate solution to your problem. Eating at least 3 eggs for breakfast and avoiding carbohydrates like breads and pastries can help to set you up for the day by controlling your blood sugar levels. Make sure that you choose organic, pasture-raised eggs rather than pastured or regular eggs, as these are more densely packed with nutrition that will increase your fullness and satiety, making you feel full for longer periods and naturally reducing your hunger. You see, proteins in eggs naturally lower ghrelin levels. That's the hormone that usually makes you feel hungry. How to use eggs properly. Eggs can be scrambled, poached, boiled, fried, baked, and used in many different ways to make them interesting to eat. However, the absolute healthiest way is to poach or fry your eggs over easy, keeping the yolk a little runny but the white solid. This helps to prevent heat-sensitive antioxidants in egg yolks from breaking down. Did you know that the yellow egg yolks actually contain more protein than the white part? And these are also easier to absorb, so never throw away your yolks. Make sure you eat the whole egg. Also, ensure that your eggs are fresh and ideally they come from a local source such as the farmer's market. The quality of eggs is absolutely important. Avoid conventional eggs and always opt for organic pasture-raised eggs. These are eggs from chickens that have access to open fields and pastures where they can roam free and graze on the grass and insects, which makes for higher quality eggs. Don't make the mistake of buying pasteurized eggs, however, as these are batch hen eggs that have been heated and the chickens were not allowed to roam free. Check the labels and use only organic pasture-raised eggs for the absolute best quality food source. To learn more about the top 10 foods for healthy eyes and vision, tap on the video that I've put on your screen now. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.